Okay guys, you're welcome to the YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you guys the right way to trade simple break and retest. Okay, simple break and retest strategy. Okay, now this is what I would love to see in my charts. Okay, now the first thing you want to ensure is to understand and know the market structure. Okay, so let's assume for a buy setup we want to see the market do something like this, giving us this kind of movement and breaking structures to the upside. And when we see the market do something like this, we can say we now have a break of structure to the upside. Okay, then we have something like this, like a retest. And okay, now this is exactly what I would love to see in my charts before taking a trade. I want to see a support turn resistance. Okay, or a resistance turn support. Now this is what I mean. Of course, you can see clearly here that we have break of structure to the upside. Okay, you have the market taking out our highs. Right here again we had another break of structure to the upside. As you can see, this particular high was taken out. So when you see market taking out structural highs, it's a very clear sign that possibly the market is in an uptrend. So as you can see right here guys, as you can see right here, market was taking out these highs, right? These highs were being broken and we're having higher lows and higher highs, right? Now at this point where we had a resistance right here, this point where we had the resistance, can you see that price broke through above the resistance and came back to touch the resistance, now turn support, and we expect price to bounce to the upside. Now this pattern you see right here is a textbook way of trading the break and retest. But the problem with trading break and retest really is not really all about identifying the setups. The setups for break and retest are very easy to identify, but the problem majorly with break and retest most times is your entry. Most people tend to enter the market the wrong way and it tends to knock them out and their trades end up eating SL. Now when you go on social media, when you go online, this is what you will see as a typical way to trade your break and retest. They expect you to enter your trade for your buy. Once market comes back to retest your broken resistance, turn support, and the market should go up. But most times if you trade this way guys, if you trade this way, most of your trades would hit SL. There should be a confirmation method to which you should watch out for before entering your trades, and that is what I want to teach you guys. So I don't advise that you just trade blindly by making sure waiting for a retracement and you just put your buy limit orders right here and you expect price to just reverse immediately because it has retested your broken resistance turn support. Most times you will majorly hit SL trading this way. Now this is how I want you to trade your break and retest. This is the right way to trade your break and retest. Let me show you guys what to do and the right way to do it. So let's go back to our drawing tool. So let's assume that the market was coming from a downtrend and all of a sudden we had a change of character and market began giving us higher highs, higher lows, and we had a break of structure, of course, to the upside, and a break and a retest. Now this is what I want you to see in your chart. This is what I want you to see first before you enter your trade. Guys, are you seeing this pattern right here? I'm going to explain to you. Just give me some time. Now this is it, guys. So after you must have identified your breakout, which is this breakout out of resistance, which is this, and market now is now coming back to retest your new support. Don't just enter your trade by putting buy limit orders, guys. Wait for multiple candlestick rejections. Ensure that the market tells you that it wants to reverse to the upside before you enter your trade. So it simply means once you see the market retracing back to your new support, don't just enter for buy. Immediately price taps into your new support zone expecting it to just reverse automatically. Most times your trade will end up eating SL. So let's assume that all of this happened in our, let's say in our 1 hour time frame. Okay, we saw this market structure in our 1 hour time frame. Go down to your 15 minutes time frame, which should be your entry time frame, and wait for what a W pattern to form at that zone. Once you see the W pattern form on the second leg, which is this right here, on this second leg is where I expect you, on this second leg right here is where I expect you to enter for your buy trade, and the market should go in your direction. So once you see the market forming a second leg, you must have entered your first position right there. Okay, and you put your TP, your stop loss a little below the zone, and you target the most recent high, and ensure that your trade is at least, you're risking nothing less than 1:2 reward, risk to reward ratio on your trades. Don't go below 1:2. Are you guys getting it? So this is the right way to trade break and retest. And for a sell, the reverse is the case. Okay, just ensure that you go to your 15 minutes time frame, you go to a lower time frame. If you do your analysis from your 1 hour time frame, go to 15 minutes time frame and wait for multiple candlestick rejections on that zone. You want to see multiple candlestick rejections on your new demand zone before entering for your buy. Are you getting it now? So this is the right way to trade your break and retest. If you sort of like content like this, or you have questions, do what to subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you're yet to subscribe, like the video, drop your questions on the comment section, and I would reach you back as soon as possible. Thank you guys for your time, and my subsequent videos, I'm going to be showing you live trades that I've taken trading this particular break and retest strategy. So you just stay locked in on this channel. See you guys in my next video.